Bioluminescence is a captivating phenomenon where living organisms produce light. This natural glow can be found in various species, from fireflies illuminating summer nights to deep-sea creatures lighting up the ocean depths. The light produced results from a chemical reaction involving luciferin, a light-emitting molecule, and luciferase, the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. This extraordinary ability serves multiple purposes, attracting mates, deterring predators, and luring prey. Imagine walking along a beach where the waves shimmer with blue light, or witnessing a firefly dance in the twilight. Bioluminescence showcases nature's creativity, revealing the wonders of adaptation in dark environments. It's a mesmerizing reminder of life's mysteries.